Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep astronauts healthy? Let's learn more. Dr. Seidler, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Sure. I'm Professor Rachel Seidler. I work at the University of Florida. I'm a professor in applied physiology and kinesiology. I'm also the deputy director of UF's Astrea Space Institute. And I get to do some really exciting work. I study how the human brain and human performance change when people travel to space.
And what's the importance of this work?
Yes, I think it's important for two different reasons. One is that we have more and more people going to space. I'm sure you've noticed it's not just NASA astronauts. Astronauts are highly selected on a range of factors. They're incredibly educated. They train extensively before they go to space. We also now are seeing people going to space that do not have very extensive training. They were not selected for this. They are choosing to buy a seat. And so my lab actually has started working with a couple of the commercial crew companies to recruit and measure their clients to see how their brain and behavior changes as well, because we have no idea how someone with a range of, maybe pre-existing conditions might respond to this extreme environment in comparison to like NASA or ESA astronauts that are so selected and trained. And so we need to learn about how being in this really extreme environment might impact their health, their brain function, their performance, whether or not there are any lasting effects. And the other reason we should study this, I think it's super exciting from a neuroplasticity and adaptation standpoint to see how human physiology adapts to an environment that is outside of our evolutionary history.
If you're interested in learning more about space health, stay tuned for more updates from the Neuromotor Behavior Lab.